press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, in today's class we are going to discuss about the yesterday's class exercise 1 problem. When we are doing one problem, I did one mistake in the yesterday's class. What that is in exercise 12.2, from the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus 5 minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Here we did the procedure what we did in that question, that all is correct, but there what I did, what the mistake I did, the question what they have given in the textbook is different. Minus x square plus 2x plus 5 is there in the textbook, but yesterday I took x square plus 2x plus 5. So we got the different answer. The procedure what we have taken, what we did in that problem is correct. So just I am repeating you people, the same question just I am doing by taking in v of plus x square, just I am taking here minus x square. In your notes also just you have to write minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, what we did, just from the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. That means just you have to do the sum of addition of these two expressions, correct? Just whatever there in the question, just you have to write that one first. 4 plus 3x plus 5x, 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, correct? After that, just you have to unite, that union, separate the like terms and just the terms which are having the same factor, literal factors, they are called, what they are called? Like terms. Just I am writing the like terms once. First I am writing the constant terms 4 plus 5 and then I am writing the x terms 3x minus 4x and then I am writing x square term. Just only one x square term is here. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 3 minus 4, minus 1. By minus 1, in behalf of minus 1, just I am writing x plus 2x square plus 2x square. Just I am considering these as first expression. In yesterday's class also we did the same thing. From here onwards, just in behalf of x square, I took x square, minus x square, I took x square there. Just we had to change that one. 3x square minus 5x, whatever there in the expression, just we have to write minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Just we have to write the first constant terms and then x and then x terms minus 5x plus 2x and then x square terms plus 3x square minus x square. First just constant, only one constant is there, that's why I am writing the constant term like that only, and then minus 5x plus 2x. What is minus 5x plus 2x? 5 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3x and then plus 3 minus 1, nothing is there in minus x square, means only one will be there, plus 3 minus 1 plus 2x square. This is equation 2. What they told, we had to do the sum between these two expressions and we had to subtract the sum of this and this is subtract the sum. Just what we had to write, just I am writing the expression once again. 9 minus x, sum of 9 minus x plus 2x square, subtract the sum, from the sum of, andre idrinda subtract 5 minus 3x plus 2x square, 5 minus 3x plus 2x square. That means what we have to do here, from first thing we have to subtract second one, otherwise from second one we have to subtract first one. Just you have to see the question first. From the sum of 4 plus 3x. From the sum of 4 plus 3x. From the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x plus minus 2x square plus 2x. That means just they are not asking, we have to subtract this from this, like that they are not asking, just they are not asking that we have to subtract this and this. That means we have to take the difference in between these two. That's why we have to write first expression minus second expression. First expression minus second expression 9 minus first expression I am writing like that only. That's why I am writing 9 minus x plus 2x square minus 5 minus into minus plus 3x minus into plus minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2x square minus x square, 2x square get cancelled and then rest I am remaining. 9 minus 5, 4 plus 3x. What is the answer that we have to give? 4 plus 1 minus 2x. 4 plus 2x. Just when you are taking the question, when you are taking the question, when you are writing the question in your examination also, you have to be very careful. Then only you will get the correct answer. If you do the same process, same procedure also, when you are writing the question numbers plus minus, you have to be very careful. And then in today's class, just we have to know how to find the value of the expression. How to find the value of the expression. The next exercise is depending upon the finding the value of the expression. Finding the value of the expression. What? Finding the value of the expression. How to find the value of the expression? Finding the value of the expression. Finding the value of the expression. How to find the value of this expression? That we are all know that the expression will contains variables and constants and fundamental operations. The value of the expression will be depending only constant. There is no change in the constant. That's why the value of the expression will not depend on constant. The value of the variable changing. We are all know that the value of the variable changing according to the situation. It has no fixed value. That's why the value of the algebraic expression always depend upon the variable. Suppose just I am giving an example. Suppose how to find the area of a rectangle not square. A square, correct? How to find the area of the square? A square, correct? Whatever the square is there, this is 4 centimeter square, this is 2 centimeter square. The area of the square, A square, 4 square, that is equals to 16 square centimeters. This one, the formula is same, that means algebraic expression is same, and here in B, the value of 2 is changing. The value of A, that means side, length of the side is 2, 4 square centimeters. The value of the area of the square is changing, correct? Here in this situation the length of the side is 4 and here 2. The algebraic expression is not changing. To find the area of the square, the algebraic expression we are not changing. Here what we are changing? Just according to the situation, the value of the length of the side is changing. So the value of the expression, the area of the different squares is changing. In the same way, if just I am giving an example, If they ask find the value of 4x minus 3 for x equals to 2. Here they are giving one expression. What the expression that they have given there? 4x given 4x minus 3. What the algebraic expression they have given? 4x minus 3. Just we have to substitute the value. In simple equation how we did, how we are doing, where the value of the equation we are getting, where LHS will equals to RHS, adu now kanditiditu. There we are finding that one here they are giving, just we are substituting and we are getting the RHS side. Just LHS side also we have here, and then substituting value, correct value also they are giving here, and we are getting the RHS. Verification, when we are doing the verification in simple equation correct, that is the logically what there we are how we are by using trial and error method, how we are finding the value of the variable there. Just in this exercise they are giving the value of the variable also they are giving. They are giving RHS part of a simple equation, and then we have to write the value of the algebraic expression, that is RHS part of simple equation. Just we have to substitute the value of x. What is value of x? 2 minus 3. 4 into 2, 8 minus 3. Okay. And then if the expression is 5x square, 19 minus 5x square. Find the value of 19 minus 5x square where x equals to 1. Where x equals to 1. Just to have to substitute in the place of x, whatever the x is there, in the place of x, just we have to substitute the 1 there, and then we will get 14 as the value of the expression 19 minus 5x square where x equals to 1. Where x equals to 1. Here only in these two expressions only one variable is there, that's why we can easily substitute. We are easily substituting the value of the expression. Sometimes 2-3 variables will be there. According to the situation, the values of the variable will be varying. That also we have to substitute, and then we have to find the value of the variable, expression. Whatever they have given, just first we have to write the algebraic expression whatever they have given, and then we have to write given variable value, and then we have to substitute the value of the variable in the algebraic expression. If you solve that, then we will get the value of the answer. That means answer for the value of the algebraic expression. Just we are entering into the exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3. If m equals to 2, find the value of. If m equals to 2, find the value of. Here they are giving 5 questions. Here they are giving 5 questions. They in that 5m minus 2, 3m minus 5, 9 minus 5m, 3m square minus 2m minus 7, 5m by 2 minus 4, like that. For all the 5 expression, m variable is there, and they are fixing the variable value as m equals to 2. Okay, m equals to 2. In that situation, what you have to do? Given m equals to 2, we have to find what we have to find? We have to find m minus 2. In behalf of m, if you put the 2 here, then we will get the value of the expression. m minus 2 equals to 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, the value of m minus 2 equals to 0, where you have to write the value of the variable that they have given only. If the value of the variable will be changing, that's why when you are giving the conclusion also you have to write the value of m minus 2 equals to 0, where m equals to 2. (3m minus 5). You have to write, given m equals to 2, we have to find 3m minus 2 equals to 5, and then 3 into 2 minus 5. What is 3 into 2? 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Therefore, in the next line we have to write, therefore, the value of 3m minus 5 equals to 1, where m equals to 2, where m equals to 2. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Here also you have to write the all steps, just I will do the calculation. 3 into 2 whole square minus 2 into 2 minus 7. 3 into 2 square means 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 7. 3 4s are 12 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 7. 12 minus 4 plus 7. What is minus 4 minus 7? Just you have to do the addition operation in between 4 and 7, and then you have to give the negative symbol for the resultant. Minus 11 equals to 1. Therefore, the value of 3m square minus 2m minus 7 equals to 1, where m equals to 2, where m equals to 2. Nine minus 5m, 9 minus 5m, 9 minus 5 into 2, 9 minus 10, that is equals to minus 1. 5m by 2 equals to 4. 5 into 2 by 2 minus 4. 2 to get cancelled. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Second question. If p equals to minus 2, find the value of 4p plus 7. 4p plus 7. 4 into minus 2 plus 7. What is 4 into minus 2? Minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7? Minus 1. Good children. Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. What is minus 2 whole square? Minus 2 into minus 2. 4. Minus 3 into 4. Minus 8 plus 7. Minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8. 12 minus 8. Minus 20 minus 20 plus 7. Minus 13. Minus 13. And then third question. Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Just you have to substitute minus 2 in the place of P. Then you will get the answer. Here if you observe children, here they are introducing the cubes also here. Cube means P into P. If in behalf of P you are applying here minus 2 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Here minus 2 into minus 8, minus 2 into 2 plus 4, minus plus 4 into minus 2, 4 2s are 8, minus will be carried forward, minus 8, minus 3 into 4, minus 8 plus 7, 16, minus 12, minus 8 plus 7. Okay. Plus, first I am doing the plus numbers. 16 plus 7. What is 16 plus 7? 23 minus 12, 8. 20. What is the answer? 3. 3 will be the value of this expression where P equals to minus 2. Third question children, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following expressions where x equals to minus 1. In these, 2 I will do, 2 you can do, I think so. First and third I will do, second and fourth you have to do it for homework. 2x minus 7. 2. In behalf of x, what we have to apply here? What the variable x value they are giving? Minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 7. 2 into minus 1? Minus 2 minus 7 minus 9. What is the value of the expression 2x minus 1 minus 7 where x equals to minus 1? Minus 9. Third one, x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. What is x square? Minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Just what here I am doing, just I am applying the value of the variable in the given expression, and then I am finding the value of that expression. Fourth one, if a equals to 2, b equals to 2, find the value of, here they are giving the values of a and b, we have to find the, just by seeing that one in the given the expression they have given, in the given expressions, then variables a and b are using, and here in the question only they are giving the values of a and b. We have to substitute the values of a and b in the expressions that they have given and find the value of them. First, a square plus b square. We are all know a square means a into a, b square means b into b. 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 2s are 4, minus 2 into minus 2, 4. A square plus ab plus b square, that is 2 whole square plus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, minus, because minus into plus, minus 4, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. 4 get cancelled. The answer is 4. Third question. A square minus B square. A square, what is the value of A? 2. 2 whole square minus 2 whole square, that is 4 minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? 0. What is 4 minus 4? 0. If A equals to, when A equals to 0, B equals to minus 1, find the value of the given expressions. Find the value of the given expressions. Here they are giving value of A and B. We have to find the values of the expressions given below. First expression, what they are giving? ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 2A plus B. 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus into plus, minus. 2 ones are 2. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Just these all where when you are doing any competitive exam, Olympiad exams like that, there are, in that they have to use these methods. 4 to 5 marks will be there in all competitive exams. 4 to 5 marks will be helpful from you will get from algebraic expression, substitution or like terms or unlike terms, all that addition of like terms, addition of algebraic expression, all from all this topic you will get 4 to 5 marks. Two A square plus B square plus 1. What is 2A square? 2 into 0 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus 1. 2 into 0 minus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. A square B plus 2AB square plus AB plus AB. 2 into, in the place of A you have to write 0, in the place of B you have to take minus 1, then you will get the answer. Whole square 1, 2 into 0 plus into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1. 2 into 0 into minus 1. 2 into 0 into minus 1 whole square 1 plus 0 into minus 1 0. 2 into 0 into minus 1, 2 zeros are 0, 0 minus 1 are 0 plus 2 zeros are 0, 0 into 1 0 plus 0, that is equals to 0. Fourth question, A square plus AB plus 2. A square plus AB plus 2. A square plus AB plus 2. What is the value of A? 0 whole square plus 0 into minus 1 plus 2. 0 0 is a 0. 0 minus 1 is a 0 plus 2. 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2. Okay. Next, simplify the expressions. Simplify the expressions and find find the value if x is equal to 2. Simplify the value of the given expression when x is equals to 2. Here the value of the x they are giving. Here the value of the x they are giving in the words. X is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 andre ಏನು? X equals to 2. X equals to 2. How they are giving the expression means x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5 into x minus 5. X plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. First simplify the expression, otherwise just substitute, just in to avoid the confusion. First I am simplifying the expression because there are two constants there, two like terms, two types of like terms there. One is x term and one is constant. That's why just I am simplifying first and then I will substitute the value of the x, that is 2. X plus 7, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into minus 5, minus 20. X plus 4x plus 7 minus 20. X plus 4x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5x plus 7 minus 20 minus 30. What is the value of x? 2. 5 into 2 minus 30. 10 minus 30 minus 3. Otherwise just here only you can substitute the value of x. Second one, 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Here also I am just simplifying the given expression. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2 plus 6 plus 5x minus 7. 3x plus 5x, 8x plus 6 minus 7 minus 1. Otherwise you have to write 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 6 directly also you can write, otherwise just you can simplify like that also. X into 2 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 equals to 15. The value of the given expression is 15. Third question, 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. Here also you have to, what we have to do, just we have to simplify the given expression. 6x like that also, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 10 minus 10. 11x minus 10. What is the value of the x? 2. 11 2s are 22 minus 10. What is 22 minus 10? 12. Four into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11 plus 3x plus 11. Here what they have given? 4 into 2x minus 1. What is that? 8x. 4 minus 1 minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. 3x plus 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 11. 8 into 8 plus 3 into x minus 4 plus 11. What is minus 4 plus 11? 7. 11x plus 7. 11 into 2 plus 7. That is 22 plus 7 equals to 29. 29. Next. Simplify the expressions and find their values. If simplify the expressions and find their values if x equals to 3, a equals to -1, b equals to -2, b equals to -2. Here they are giving the expression which are related to a, b and x variables. We have to find according to the variable need in the expression. Just we have to substitute the values of the x, a and b. 3x minus 5 minus 8 plus 9. We have to just reduce, simplify. 3x minus x, 2x plus 4. What is the value of x here? 3. 2 into 3 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. What is 6 plus 4? 10. 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Correct? 2 plus 4, 8. Minus 8 plus 4x minus 4x. What is the value of x? X minus 4 into x equals to 3. Given x equals to 3 antanu baribeku. X minus 12 minus 4. X minus 12 minus 4. plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. What is 3a plus 5 minus 8a? 3a minus given. What is given the value of a? Given a equals to minus 1. 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1 minus 5a plus 6 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6 minus 5 into minus 1 5 plus 6, that is equals to 11. That is equals to 11. Ten minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Here children, 10 minus 3b. 10 minus 4 minus 3b minus 5b. 10 minus 4, 6 minus 3 minus 5b minus 8b. We know that b equals, what is the value of b? Minus 2. What is the value of b? Minus 2. Just substitute. 6 minus 8 into minus 2. 6 plus 16 equals to 22 equals to 6 plus 16 equals to 22. Next question. 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. We know that a equals to minus 1, b equals to minus 2. Just separate the like terms. 2a terms, 2a plus a. Next b terms, minus b, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 4, minus 5. 2a plus a, 3a. Minus 2b, minus 9. What is the value of a? Minus 1, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 9. Minus 3 into minus 1. Sorry, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4, minus 9. Minus 3, minus 9, minus 12 plus 4. What is that? Minus 8. What is that? Minus 8. Okay, thank you children.